That thing clapping! Oh, it's your boy A-Milk, man. I'm back again. But look, before I get to talking, get to telling y'all what's going on, giving y'all all the updates, you feel me? You need to hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button right there. You feel me? Whatever it's at. You feel me? Make sure y'all do that. You feel me? Do that real quick. Let me get about 5 seconds. I appreciate y'all doing that. You feel me? No lie. But look, I'm gonna give you an update what's going on. So my headers, I ordered my headers back in, I think August, early August. And then now just not get here, I think around about late September. So today's gonna be the day I put them on, and today is October the 5th. And right now it's 6:43 in the morning. So if you see me right now, I'm getting ready for work. You feel me? So today is gonna be the day I put them on. Give you a video later on, but right now I don't have my car. I'm on SRT State work truck. He has my car because I can't take it. Like I said, I got work, so I gotta be at work right now. So I got off at 3, and it should be done around about 4, 5, if I give it that window, because it's an 8-hour job, so you never know how long they take. But I got big updates coming for my car and other things going on in my life. But right now I'm starting with my car, give y'all those details. Right now I got a route coming to my car. I got my car getting tuned. I got a lot of things coming to my car. I can't tell you the rest of it, but them top 2, they're coming. So y'all just stay locked in with your boy. And you know what I'm saying, stay focused. Y'all be great early this morning. I want to say, man, y'all keep following y'all dreams, man, because I started this YouTube thing and I stopped it. But now I got a different motivation for it. I got a different mindset for it. So if you, whatever you do in life, man, stay focused, stay locked in at it, man, you feel me? Because it's on your mind every day for a reason. God put it on your mind for a reason, man. Whoever y'all believe in, they put it on your mind for a reason, man. So y'all stay locked in with your boy A-Milk, man. Big slap chat. Ooh, big slap vibes in the chat. Been a minute since I did. I'm a little rusty, but man, hang on with me. Man, y'all stay locked in for the video. Make sure y'all get the after effect. I'm gonna give you a review of it too. So stay locked in with me. You feel me? Big slap. I'm out. Again, man, I'm on work. You feel me? So right now, turn it down if I get copyrighted. So right now, my own car's at the exhaust shop. The header's already put on, but right now they're doing the modifications to it to make sure nothing happens to it. So it's at the exhaust shop again. Whatever they're doing to it, it's getting done. You feel me? Cause they gave me the runaround right now, so it's supposed to be out, but y'all know how things gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm not finna head up to the shop and then chill out until they call for my car. Then I go pick it up and I'm gonna turn back on the camera then. But right now I'm just giving y'all an update on everything. So about to tell about the look at my face, I ain't happy, but you know what I'm saying, everything happened for a reason. So look, I'm gonna catch y'all up, so what's going on? You know what I'm saying? I still ain't in my car, as you can tell. We dropped, well, the people dropped who put my headers on, they dropped my car off at the exhaust shop. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be like, okay, I'll wait another day to get it, make sure everything fit right and make sure everything looking good and running good. So the day while I'm at work, SRT State, my little cousin, he get a phone call from the exhaust people basically saying, everything I try to do to it, it won't do it because it's gonna be scraping the ground. And coming to find out, he just don't want to take off my cats. He don't get fined. I feel him, know what I'm saying? That's his shop. But from day one, I'm like, I do not want my cats. Like, that's with long-tube headers, like, what's the point of having cats? That's gonna delete them anyway. So I'm just giving y'all a quick heads up. And I'm probably gonna pick up my car, but we gotta figure out who's gonna cut my cats and make sure everything running good and perfectly fit on my car. So nothing will be going on, bad happening going on in my car. So I'm pulling up to the shop right now, and my camera's on 19%, and my crazy self left my charger, my camera charger in my car. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on whenever I get a chance, whenever I do get my car back. Like I said, you better go pick it up. You feel me? And SRT stay. I ain't gonna put OG on the camera, he ain't ready yet. Picking it up, man, you feel me? Crazy thing is, dog, my cat's already cut, you feel me? They already cut. And my dog on the wire by the teeth. So my cat's already cut. They right here. You feel me? Thing is, he just don't want to commit. He don't want to get fined, he don't want to get in trouble. You feel me? So I respect it, you know what I'm saying? I can't get mad about it, you feel me? Look at my dog, check him out. Why about the sketty? Check him out, I know he wanna smile, look. Yeah! But look, I'm turning back on the camera when we get the weld and everything on, if we find the weld in time. Cause it's complete already and it sounds good, you feel me? So I'm gonna turn it back on when we get everything back jumping. Now today's the day. My car part, you know what I'm saying, the motor shop did. Shout out to the motor shop. I feel y'all, support y'all, you feel me? You gonna get all my business from now on, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? I know how it sounds, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited for it, you feel me? Let me roll these ones. What? This. I been riding around my cousin. He said a car, SRT stage. Hey, he do it all for real, for real. Can't lie to you, won't lie. But I'm riding around, I don't know what you this. I think this is a 98 Honda. You see the seat belts? But anyway, oh my, hey, I gotta hurry up. But, oh man, I ain't record. Did I record? I ain't record, I'm tripping. I get up here, and whenever I let my camera charge and everything, man, I'm gonna give y'all the rails, drive-bys. I'm trying to give you everything I can give you. You know what I'm saying? Cause we'll probably meet up tonight. If not, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do everything Friday night. So, cause today is Thursday, I just got out of work. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no AC in this car. So let me hit real up my speed talk. You feel me? See, I'm about to break a sweat. Look at the tint on the windows, nasty. But anyway, it's your boy A Milton back at it, man. Locked in, man. Big slats, man. Big slime, man. I'll turn back on the camera later, man. I'll let y'all. I got honest, I got money. Feel me out. Finna get that reaction. I ain't gonna get my grandma cause she gonna tell my mom. I'm talking about it sound mean. I can't lie to you. At first, like, it got irritating, but shit, I'm gonna get used to it. I gotta hear me get my tune. Come on, John. Hey, it's my grandma. I gotta go in the room. What's up, girl? Hey. How you doing? I'm gonna get my granddad a reaction, you feel me? Wow. I'm gonna feed me some to eat too at the same time. Oh yeah, yes sir. But nah, my granddad like cars just like I like cars, you feel me? Right here, I think he gonna trip out right here. I don't think he coming downstairs, you feel me? Granddad! What? Come downstairs and listen to that thing, boy! Oh shit. Come downstairs and listen to that thing. That car. My car. Granddad up there with his shirt off.
Escalated, nigga, when he speak.
Say what?
I put it by niggas and escalated. I said, hey man, how you doing? That nigga when he speak.
Dang, nigga. Let go.
I said, hey man, how you doing? That nigga when he speak.
I'm gonna make sure you put in that mold, my boy. I'll let you when you do it, let you know.
What?
Really gotta hit the car, drive.
Come to the back, gotta come to the back. It's gonna be, my viewers ain't even heard it yet. You feel me? You gotta get the real deal, you feel me? You ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! Hey! That thing clapping! That thing sound good though.
I don't think about the road.
But nah, man. Nah. Yo, man, so I'm gonna detail it after I get done eating and everything. Oh, I already know we finna get to talking. So right now, I'm gonna turn it back on after this.
No.
The hood, bro, that be want you to hit it, you feel me? Nah, bro, I'm gonna give y'all some flybys and outside the car side really sound, but I don't think y'all really getting the real deal sign of, you feel me? Like it sound different, dog. Like, but it bring out that animal out of it. I really can't wait till I get it tuned, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get tuned and down on tune, you know what I'm saying? If I can get everything running like I want to, before I get all my horsepower out of it. But, you know what I'm saying? Happy to have this bit back, man. Just let y'all know why. Like I want to tell y'all, that was at my grandma's house, so I got BBK Long-Tube Headers, you know what I'm saying? Really, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was just trying something out. You know what I'm saying? I really wanting to get like JBAs, but because that's why I heard what everybody was talking about. But I'm satisfied with BBK, you know what I'm saying? Really satisfied. I'm happy I got it. Sound good and ride good. Like, you can tell the difference in it. So I really recommend y'all do this. And I'm gonna give y'all the installment and what really just went down on everything. So the total price of everything was, just to get the headers put on, was $575. That's good. That's a good deal. I say, I looked online, they'll say, and they told me from $500 to $600 what you would pay. Over that, they trying to chop your neck off. Then after they put the headers on, I just had to go to a muffler shop to get this 2 pipes put on. That's it. And that cost me around about $80. That's it. Other than that, I walked away saving cash for what I spent. I really expect to pay about $700. But other than that, I'm good. So what's coming up next, like I'm telling y'all, I'm giving y'all everything order. It's gonna be the tune and down on tune. So I'm really ready for that right there. So after that, I'll be straight. They got done washing my car real quick. You feel? Nigga be hating on it. I be hating on it in the background and shit. Anyway, put back on my windshield wiper real quick. Then I'm gonna let y'all hear from the back, you feel me? Pause. But I'm gonna let everybody hear it real quick from this angle. Like I said. Then I'm gonna give y'all a couple drive-bys. Round that bit!
Somebody had to hop in traffic with
Rock your pride.
Man, that's that bitch by itself.
Yup. So this is gonna be the ending of the video right here, man. So like I said, I appreciate everybody who's been supporting me and pushing me to this point right here. You feel me? So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, the like button, and comment, because I like to get feedback. I like to interact with y'all, man, because right now I won't be here. It won't be y'all, you feel me? And I'm trying to keep building on my channel and bring in different content to the channel. So like I say, I'm building up my baby real quick, trying to make it something I love to ride around. I won't say I'm going for the race car, you know what I'm saying, going to the drag strip type of deal, but it is gonna be a racing type of car, but at the same time I make it look good, you feel me? So I got a lot of stuff coming, so I know the top two things I can tell y'all what's coming is gonna be next. Gonna be the dyno tune and getting tuned, and after that it's gonna be getting wrapped. So right now I'm coming up with ideas for that. You feel me? So if you ain't following on my social medias, I'm gonna put everything down in the description with my social media stuff. And mainly I be on IG, and like I said, I've been on TikTok, so I'm starting to drop little videos here and there on that. So I'm getting better on that end. But everything's gonna be in the descriptions. I'm gonna add the BBK Long-Tube Headers, what I got on here. You feel me? And other stuff on it, as in the O2 sensors and everything. It's extensions that y'all need. You feel me? So your check engine light won't be on. So further on in, man. Hey, I appreciate all the love. You feel me? Appreciate it. I won't be here without y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, make sure y'all do everything I say. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share it for me. You feel me? Y'all already know what it is, man. Big slats. I'm gonna leave y'all with a cold start. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't cranking up yet. I'm just out here. I'm not finna go run some errands, then get back in the house, watch some college football. You feel me? Can't lie, won't lie to you. But I'm out, man. I love y'all, man. You're